So what I want to challenge you to do is now most valuable activity that you can do every single day is I just want you to go through on social the 2 ways that I just shared with you. And I want you to now, instead of simply commenting, because that's what everybody else does, it's it's somebody's birthday. And what do? HBD. Like we're too lazy to even write happy birthday. It's literally just an acronym. We've gone to acronyms now. I don't know about you guys. I shut my birthday off on social media because I got so annoyed by all the stupid messages. But think about this. How many of you guys on your birthday this past year, how many of you guys got a video message? Okay, there's 50 people in the room. I think 2 hands. Think about your clients. How many of your clients, that means, let's just assume this is an accurate sample. Only 2 out of 50 of your clients got 1 single video message on their birthday. But I bet you they got 500 people on social media saying HBD. Are they going to remember one of the 500? Or are they going to remember the 1 person who sent them a video? Doesn't have to be anything. Hey, Sean, what's up, man? I saw on Facebook it's your birthday. Just thinking about you, man. I hope you're having an amazing year. I saw that you and little Billy just went up to Disneyland. It looked like you guys had a blast. You're a great dad. Just super excited to be friends with you. I hope you have an amazing birthday, dude. Done. Like, that's it. Doesn't have to be anything much. It's like a 5-10 second video. Don't overthink it. Don't think you have to come up with something creative. If you have 5 people who have the birthday on the same day, it could be the same message 5 times over. It doesn't matter. But the fact you're taking time to shoot a 1-to-1 message via video, it could be, you can use follow-up boss because you guys can send videos in there. If you're, if you don't have their phone number for whatever reason, you could send it via Facebook Messenger. Facebook tells you every day, like, here's all the people whose birthday it is today. Facebook's going to help you with that. I don't care how you get the video message to people, just get one to them by whatever means necessary. Beggars can't be choosers. Just get a damn video message out. When it's their wedding anniversary, when it's their house anniversary, accomplishments. You see, like, you should add people on LinkedIn too. Just another one a lot of people overlook. Add all of your clients on LinkedIn. LinkedIn works as an assistant for you because it will tell you when somebody hit X years with their company, or they got a promotion, or they got a new job. Like, LinkedIn actually sends you notifications of those things. Acknowledge those. Shoot somebody a message. Hey, I saw you just got promoted. Congratulations. Video. Somebody gets engaged, baby, or pick me up is a big one. You see somebody sick, shoot them a message. Let them know you're thinking about them. I'm a big on mental health. Like, if you see somebody who's not right, who posts something that seems obscure, seems out of place, you could tell they're down. It's not their normal demeanor. Like, don't just send a message like, hey, we're here for you. If you need me, call me. Like, send them a freaking video. Like, you would be shocked at how impactful a video is. I have a friend who went through like this horrible, nasty divorce years ago. And because of a message I sent him, stopped him from driving his truck into a tree. Just because I hit him with a message at the right time. Like, literally a video. And then at that point, there's pre-video, but it was still a message. Just people knowing that you're there for them, like, it can completely change things. So the impact of this is so freaking valuable. Like, if you just do this every day, you get as many people in to the system as possible, and you're doing these on a daily basis, you're just blocking out. In reality, it's probably 10 minutes of your time, 15 minutes of your time a day. I guarantee if you just do this, you'll be responsible for 5 to 10 deals in the next 12 months. If you just get everybody in and solely do this before we even add any layers to this, if we just get this far, you'll do 5 to 10 deals in the next 12 months just from this.